all vectors can be drawn on a graph. They can be drawn on a set of x and y axis. So let's say I have an x and y axis, and let's say if I draw a vector something like this. So let's call this that endpoint A, starting from the origin O. Now, any vector which starts from the point O is known as a position vector. So OA is an example of a position vector. Let's say if I have here B, OB is also another position vector. Using the two position vectors, I can work out AB. I can go from A to the origin, and then from the origin to B. Cool? Right. So, this question. You've been given the position vector OA, and you've been given the vector AB. Now, in order to work out AB, we have to go along OA, but in the opposite direction. So if you have a look at the blue arrow I drew here, we went from A to O, O to B. That gave us AB. We're doing the same thing here. So we're going to go the opposite way along OA. So we're going to do minus OA, and then we're going to add OB. Make sense? In this question, we want this. So, to work out OB, you can do AB plus OA, which gives you 3i plus 4j plus 5i minus 2j. 3 plus 5 is 8, so 8i. 4 plus minus 2 is positive 2 plus 2j. There you go. That is the position vector OB. It says find the exact value of magnitude OB. Okay, so to work out the magnitude of OB, we're going to do the square root of 8 squared plus 2 squared. It wants it in third form, so we can simplify this. 8 squared is 64. 2 squared is 4. So root 68, which simplifies to 2 root 17. There you go. That's how you do that question. So, can you try this one for me, please? Okay, you've been given two position vectors. You've been given OA, 4i minus 5j, and you've been given OB, 6i plus 3j. To work out AB, you have to go along OA in the opposite direction. So minus OA plus OB minus 4i minus 5j plus 6i plus 3j. Minus 4i plus 5j plus 6i plus 3j. When you simplify that, you get 2i plus 8j. Part B, you need to work out the magnitude of it. So you're going to do the square root of 2 squared plus 8 squared, which we just did in the previous one, 2 root 17. There you go. That's how you work with position vectors.